Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a fresh pumpkin pie from scratch using a fresh pumpkin. Up first we got to prepare the pumpkin. We're going to start off by cutting in half. Now we're going to scoop out the seeds. Saving the seeds for later because we can always roast them and make a nice little snack. Up next we're going to slice that up. Alright, now we got it cut into cubes. We're going to take a peeler and we're going to remove the outer skin. Alright, up next we have 3/4 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of cloves. We're going to put that on there and we're going to mix it around so it's got a nice even coating across all the pumpkin so that we get the flavors blending in with the pumpkin as it bakes. Now that we got that dry rub coating on there, we're going to spread it out on the cookie sheet here. Doesn't matter which way is up. And we're going to roast this at 350 for 45 minutes. Alright, now that that's all roasted, we're ready to put it in the puree and turn it into a mash. We put a little bit at a time so we don't overload the puree. And when we're done, we're going to have about 1.5 cups. Alright, now we're ready to blend it all together. We're going to start off with 2 eggs. We're going to crack those into the bowl. And we're going to give them a little bit of a whip. Then we're going to add 2/3 cup of sugar. Then we're going to add our 1.5 cup of pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree. It's got the pumpkin spice in there so we don't have to add any more. Mix that up a little bit. Then we're going to add the 1.5 cup of evaporated milk, and we're going to stir that in there. We got our prepared pie crust right here. You can find the recipe for that in our pot pie recipe. Now we're just going to add our pumpkin pie filling into there. And we're going to bake that at 425 for 30 minutes. And there's our beautiful pumpkin pie, ready to serve. Just going to cut a slice here. Look how beautifully that looks right there. And we add our dollop of whipped cream. And there's our beautiful pumpkin pie. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.